Hey, YouTube fam, what's up? We out here today, y'all, and we're about to go ahead and grill on this here grill. So I got some chicken legs that I'm gonna put on the grill, but let me show y'all a little seasoning rub that I'm gonna toss in here real quick, right quick. I've got a little seasoning rub that I wanna mix up. So the first thing I do have, I'm gonna toss in here, y'all, is some dark brown sugar. All right, got me a little container. I'm giving y'all the measurements below for a half a cup of this right here, this mix. You know what I'm saying? But I'm using more because I got a lot of legs. But I'm just for some of y'all who want to try to make this here without the with the ingredients, I'm gonna give that to you below. So I got brown sugar in the container. Then I got some of this black pepper that I'm gonna add into this, y'all. Yes, we're going full throttle today, y'all. I'm being honest with you. So we got black pepper. Just want to sprinkle some of that in there. All right, and we're gonna make us our own all-purpose barbecue rub. That's what we're doing. All right, now with that, I got some cayenne pepper that I want to toss in here as well. Like I told y'all, the measurements are going to be in the show more section, and it's going to be for about a half a cup. You know what I'm saying? So definitely give this barbecue seasoning mix a try, and you will not be disappointed. So I got some of this here cumin, y'all. All right, ground cumin. That's going into the mix. You know what I'm saying? Tossing that in there, and it smells good already. And then we're gonna also put in some of this here paprika right on up in there, y'all. This is gonna give us a nice little color. It ain't gonna give us too much of a flavor, but the color, it will help out, all right? And then I'm gonna toss in some sodium. I'm gonna throw some salt up in here, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Put enough in there, you can't go wrong with that, all right? So we got some salt in there, that's kosher, okay? And then with that, I'm gonna toss in some of this here Tones. I like this Tones, this garlic, rosemary garlic seasoning blend. I just love this, so I got to add this to the mix. You know what I mean? Looking good already, y'all, and it's smelling good as soon as I pour it all up in there. And then I got me some garlic powder. I'm gonna toss that garlic powder up in here too. Like I said, I'm throwing some chicken legs. You could do this for a whole chicken, any part of the chicken you want. This is an all-purpose seasoning rub. I mean, whatever you want to do or add this on, you add it to it, fish, whatever. Then just for color's sake, I'm gonna toss in some of this here parsley flakes. Get some color going off in there, you know what I mean? And one last thing that I'm gonna add to this here seasoning mix, y'all, is gonna be some of this in my all-time favorite. Now, you might not have this in your cabinets, but everything else that I did mention, you could definitely add up in that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna toss in some of this here Charlie Mills barbecue seasoning, just a little bit. I don't want a lot, just a little bit, because this is gonna heighten the flavor for me just a little bit. Now, with that, I'm gonna just go ahead and just blend everything. That's all I wanna do. I wanna just blend all of these together, all of these flavors together. And once I got all of these blend together, I'm gonna go ahead and toss these on some of my chicken. And then I'm gonna get the chicken onto the grill. So I'm not gonna use any kind of binder for the chicken. I'm just gonna simply throw on this here seasoning, put it onto the pellet smoker, and then that's a wrap. We're gonna go at it. Now, if you wanna give yours a taste to see if it need a little bit more sugar, a little bit more salt, whatever kind of seasoning, be my guest, you could do so. But this is our all-purpose right here, y'all. I'm gonna call this the Ray Mack all-purpose rub, barbecue rub. This is the Ray Mack all-purpose barbecue rub right here. Look at it, look at it. That's what it's looking like, y'all. That's what it's looking like. Let me give y'all one more little glimpse. I don't know if you can get it because of the sun, glares or whatever, but that's that Ray Mack's all-purpose barbecue rub right there. Smelling so good. I need to put this on the market. Yes, Lord. But that's what we got. So let's go ahead and season up that chicken right quick, y'all. And before I do anything, let's tell y'all something right now. Today is a good day. Today is a great day for barbecuing, baby. And if you ain't got nothing else to do, you better get in there and barbecue up some chicken. So let's go. Let me go grab it right now. All right there, y'all. We got this here Ray Mack's barbecue all-purpose barbecue rub. I like the sound of that, y'all. Ray Mack's all-purpose barbecue rub. So now what I'm going to do, I got me some chicken legs right here. I just want to go ahead and just put a nice little generous amount of this here rub on this here chicken. And then I'll judge it and gauge it if I should add a little bit more. Just mix everything up together. And like I said, I'm throwing this on the pellet smoker, and I'm using no kind of oil, no mustard, no binder, or nothing like that. So basically how you see it now is how it's going on the grill. And like I said, I'm going to use leave some type of measurements for you guys for this here barbecue seasoning. And when I give you the measurements, it's going to be for about a half a cup, because some of y'all, man, you know, might not cook as much as I do or whatever. And we're going to go with that. So I'm using my clean hand to distribute out some more rub. And I just like a lot of rub on here, you know what I mean? Like a lot of seasoning on my meat. So you can't go wrong with this here barbecue rub. Just getting everything mixed up together. Yes, and it's smelling so good. I wish y'all could smell this, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show you what I got my pellet grill, the temperature set at. And I know a lot of you guys might not have pellet grills, but if you have like charcoal grill, you can set your charcoal grill up for indirect cooking. That means charcoal on one side and no coals on the other side. And that way you could basically just heat your grill up and cook without burning the chicken. Or you could just go ahead and do it over direct heat, but you got to be mindful of the brown sugar that's in this seasoning, because the sugar will have a tendency of burning. If you got a gas grill, you could just basically do it indirect over the gas grill as well. That means having a couple of burners on and a couple of burners off. Or you could do it direct, which means all your grill burners are on. So let me just give you a glimpse right now of how this chicken look with the seasoning. And I do mean, look at this here, y'all. I mean, it looks good. That's that all-purpose, ROSEMARY's all-purpose seasoning right there. I'm telling you, if you can't find that Charlie's Meal, and you could definitely order it online, but if you can't, it'll work well without the Charlie Meals seasoning. But I'm telling you, this is that ROSEMARY's all-purpose barbecue seasoning right here, and it's looking good. Now, this is how our grill is set up. So I got my Z grill going, and here I got my temperature set at 325 degrees. Right now this thing is at 320 degrees, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna toss it on right now. All right, y'all, so I had to go in there and get me another glove. So I'm going to just add these on the grill, and I'm not cooking for time. All right, I'm not concerned about the time. I'm just gonna cook these until they hit the internal temperature of 165 degrees. When they hit at 165 degrees, that's when I go ahead and I'm gonna take these babies off. All right, so there we go. We got them on the Z grill, the pellet smoker. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just close this lid up, and we smoking now. We good. So when I come back, I'm gonna try to check these babies at 165 degrees, and then from there, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and see what else we can prepare, or we're just gonna sit down and eat. So I'm hoping you really enjoy this. And check out this, like I said, it's a ROSEMARY's all-purpose barbecue rub. Basically, this is what the video is all about. It's all about the rub, all right? So I'm hoping that you guys can give this rub a try. We got some pretty colors on these birds. I'm just turning them over, and it smells so good up in here, y'all. I'm telling you, it smells good. And like I said, look at that ROSEMARY's all-purpose barbecue seasoning on that bird. God almighty. Lord have mercy. Y'all need to try this, man. Get out there and grill. Don't be scared. Get out there up under that fire and grill something in there outside today. Like, this is what's going on. We doing this grilling season, y'all. And look at that. So I got some barbecue sauce that I'm gonna go ahead and jazz up, and I'm gonna throw the barbecue sauce on here, and I'm gonna eat me one of these legs. So I'll be right back. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and dip these babies. I'm just gonna give them 15 minutes. I'm dipping them in my sauce. That's what I'm doing. Dipping these babies right on up in this here sauce. Give them 15 minutes. And then just so that the sauce is set. And then we coming up off this grill. So they ready. They are ready. I told you don't take that much time. I did the seasoning, that MACK'S barbecue rub. And once I put the rub on there, I put them on this here pellet grill. Pellet grill was set at 375 degrees. 325 degrees. And I went in there and I made, woo, I hit that handle right there, y'all. The handle hot. I made me some barbecue sauce, jazzed it up. But this recipe is all about the seasoning on that chicken. And I jazzed up this here barbecue sauce. And I'll do that barbecue sauce later for y'all if that's what y'all want to see in the future. But I do make some mean barbecue sauces. Not just the barbecue sauce, but barbecue sauces. And as you can see, there's some goodness in that barbecue sauce right there. Look at it. There's some goodness in there. And I do mean there's some goodness in that barbecue sauce. That's all I want to do is just let this set for about 15 minutes. And then I'm going to take these off. So I don't know what everybody else is going to fix it on this grill, but this is done. So just want y'all to take a look at it right quick. Look at that. Look. Y'all, if y'all could just smell it. I'm telling you, you can just smell it. And that barbecue sauce is no joke, y'all. Alright, so let's give it 15 minutes.
Go ahead and get this bag.
Alright, now this is a second batch right here that my brother Rodney did right here. That my brother right there.
Yes, sir.
He used that all-purpose MACK'S all-purpose barbecue rub. Look how that mother looking at daggone me. I'm trying to tell y'all, and y'all gonna see what's up. He did this here, and then he gonna do some salmon over there. He gonna hook it on up. So we going to the grill, y'all. All right, y'all, look, mine is done, and my brother's about to throw his on right there. So I'm telling y'all right now, with the chicken that I already prepared with that sauce, look at that sauce. Look at that. It's real right there. So I'm gonna grab that, and we about to snatch these off for me, bro. Yeah. Boy, y'all look here. We got Rodney Floyd in the building. That's my dude right there. That's my dude.
Happy Easter, everybody.
That's what's up. Boy, look at that mother. Smell good on it, bro. That chicken, that barbecue sauce is real. That's that MACK'S all-purpose barbecue seasoning right there, y'all. Yes, Lord. Let him go ahead and throw his on there. We about to sit that one down, and here it is. We got clean hands in the building. We ain't got, well, I hit that daggone, that right there, boy. She made me bounce back. Well, look at that right there, y'all. Yes, sir. This ain't gonna take long to cook. But that sauce right there, ooh, wait. That's what's up. So now we're gonna close this mug up. Whoa! Take these on off. Go ahead and dip these. Let these sit about. I hear you, boy.
hear you. Watching that movie, man. I be watching all. You be watching all that power stuff.
Yeah, man. I'm waiting for the next one to pop off. I'm looking at that timing now.
Looking at timing?
Yeah, man.
Boy. I watched half for the day before I left the house. I was like, man, I got to watch a little bit of the Tommy, boy. Tommy off the chain.
Yeah, Tommy wicked, man. I mean, wicked smart as a mug, too, bro.
You watch Keenan?
Yeah, I watched that part, too. Like I say, them mugs was smart, man, as they portray it, like in the, on them series.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, man, the mugs acting their butts off.
Man, I swear. They're making some bread off of that.
About 15 more minutes. 15. I'm gonna take these hot dogs off now, though. Got them salmons right there. That right there is bruh. Big bruh.
Bruh.
I fixed that one over there. They looking good, though. So what you think, man?
Wonderful.
You wanna see if it's flake. You gotta let that go just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. What about yours, though?
Yes, sir. Same thing.
Alright.
Same
Just a
thing.
little bit more. They're looking good. Thank you so much for checking out Raymack's Kitchen and Grill. If you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, comment on this video, and please share this video with family and friends. I'm going to try my best to do more grilling videos and southern recipes for you. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.